Thank you for joining me today with Interstate Truck and Dispatch, and today I'm going to be showing you carriers and owner operators how to post your truck's availability on the ITD load board. So first you want to log in, okay? Once you log in, go to your My Trucks Availability, click on that and click on Add Available Trucks. Once you get to the Add Available Truck page, you just want to enter your information, DOT, and you choose an available status. If you're just delivering, just go ahead and select that, or if you're available now, go ahead and check that and complete the information. So I'm in San Antonio, Texas, and we're doing refrigerated. So the commodity that I prefer would be poultry, and we'll just go ahead and put a number there. This is just a mock-up, and you want to put the company's name and a contact. After you completed filling out all the information, you just want to click submit, and there you go. Okay, and then you can see here that I've got the information here, and it's active. Okay, so now freight brokers can see you, and other individuals, they may need a refrigerated trailer in the San Antonio or Texas area. Again, thank you so much for joining me with Interstate Trucking Dispatch, and we'll see you on the next session. Have a great one.